Hello everyone, I would like to talk about C-index property. What is C-index property? It specifies the stacked order of an element, and an element with greater stacked order is always in front of an element with a lower stacked order. Overlapping element with the larger C-index cover those with a smaller one. To have a better understanding, let's see the example. Okay, I have example with an image 1 and image 2 written as C-index property. You can see that I have C-index with -1 and one image has C-index of 3. This C-index will be this C-index which have larger value will overlap the C-index with a smaller value. Therefore, this C-index property will be overlapped by the C-index 3. That is because it has C-index of 1 which is smaller than the C-index of 3. Therefore, it will be placed behind this image with an ice cream. To have better understanding, let's see another example. I have two boxes, that is, I have 3 boxes, that is blue, red and green, without the rule of C-index property. So, if you want this green to be sit over this blue div or red on top of this green, then this is where the C-index property play its role. I have 3 div background color with blue, red and green, where I have set index of 2 and set index of 1 and set index of 3. Okay, let's see the output. The set index of 1 was on the bottom of this blue and green div. This is because the smaller C-index will be overlapped by the C-index with larger value. Therefore, green has a larger C-index value. Therefore, it will be on the top of this red div and blue div. Therefore, in this blue div, it has index of 2, which is smaller than the green div and larger than the red div. Therefore, the blue has index of 2, which is between 3 and 1. It will sit on top of red and behind the green index. Index 3, which is div green. This is how the Z-index play its role, when it will play its role when one element wants to sit on top of another element without deleting each other. This is where they play its role. This is end of my presentation. Thank you.